In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a blog with WEBFLOW in 2026, complete beginner tutorial. We'll build your blog using WEBFLOW's CMS, which keeps your content structured and easy to manage as it grows. Start by opening your WEBFLOW project so you can see the designer interface. Give yourself a moment to look at the left toolbar because that's where you'll find the tools you'll use throughout this setup. Next, open the CMS panel. It's the section that houses your content collections. If you've never used it before, think of a collection as a smart spreadsheet. Each row is a blog post, and each column is a field like title, author, main image, or publish date. Using the CMS means you'll add your posts once and reuse them across pages and components without copying and pasting. Click the plus icon to add a new CMS collection. This is where you define what kind of content you want to manage. For a blog, that's typically posts. Don't worry, you can change details later, and you can create related collections like categories in the future if you need them. You'll see the ready-made collection templates you can use right away, or you can customize your own. Templates are great for beginners because they include common fields such as name, slug, main image, summary, and rich text for the body. If you prefer to tailor it, adjust field names to match your voice, add optional fields like estimated read time or SEO description, and remove anything you won't use. A quick tip, keep your slug field clean and short for better URLs, and make sure images have alt text so your posts are accessible and search friendly. When you're happy with the setup, click Create Collection. WEBFLOW will generate it instantly and add it to your CMS panel. You'll also notice a corresponding template page created in the Pages panel, which you can design later to control how each post looks. After creating your collection, you can add, delete, manage, or edit items anytime. Click New to create a sample post and fill in your fields. Add a descriptive title, a compelling summary, a high-quality main image, and your article body in the rich text area. Use draft while you're editing, then switch to ready when it looks good. You can duplicate items to speed up production, bulk edit to keep formatting consistent, and sort or filter to stay organized as your library grows. As a helpful habit, create a few placeholder posts now. They'll make it much easier to design and preview your blog layout later. That's it. Your blog's CMS foundation is set up. Great job, and congratulations.